Meaning of earwig.
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 Earwig. An earwig is a type of insect known for its unique appearance, featuring elongated bodies and pincer-like structures located on their tails. The name earwig is believed to stem from an old superstition that these insects would crawl into people's ears and lay their eggs, although this is a myth. Earwigs are mostly nocturnal and feed on plants or other insects. While they can be considered a nuisance pest, they serve as an important part of the ecosystem, acting as both predators and prey for various other creatures.